Hello and welcome back. Now it's time to start action. We are going to start implementation step for our project number 4, Terraform GitLab CI/CD automation. So let's start, and here we have only 6 steps. From the first step, we are going to create local Git repository. So here we have all this step. Let me create this as well. So right now I am going to create one folder, and the folder name is project 4. Sorry, it is typo, project 4. Now going inside the project 4 and git init. So what I can say that my local Git repository is ready. Step 1 completed. Now in the step 2 we are going to set up Terraform configuration file. Let's discuss about all of this. Create Terraform files. Within your project directory, create a Terraform configuration file. When we are creating Terraform configuration file, we have always .tf is an extension of file. You can start with a simple main.tf file that specify the provider and any resources you wish to manage. So first of all, we need to create a main.tf file in which we can specify that with which provider like AWS or Azure or Google Cloud Platform we want to work. We are going to create this step by step. You don't need to worry. Here for this project, we are going to create 3 TF files. We are going to start with the main.tf. This file will contain Terraform configuration to provision EC2 instance, and this is a configuration of the file. Okay, it is in HCL. So I'm going to copy this and going to my Git local repo. Here I am going to create this using vi main.tf. Okay, now press insert and you just need to copy and paste this. Now what we are doing over here, if you look at this, okay, here we are going to create AWS instance. Okay, here instance AMI, we need to use a latest AMI, and instance type, let's say that we are going to create this T2 micro. Okay, so we need to provide detail that what we want to create. Okay, we are creating this using HashiCorp language HCL. So this is like we just need to copy and paste. Yes, we need to specify latest AMI for our region. As you know that we are working with the AWS over here, and you can find out AMI. Let's say that go to the launch instance, and here you can find out latest AMI detail. AMI ID can be changed as well, so you have to add this. If I'm going to select Amazon Linux, here I got this, okay, 593E, because I have copied latest one. 593E is there, right? So this is our first file in which we have provided detail that what we need to create inside my AWS account. The second file we have is a provider.tf. Here we can provide all the details about our provider. Here we are going to work with AWS. Suppose if you are going to work with Azure, we need to provide them a detail about Azure, and also in which region we want to create this EC2 instance. The name of the file is the most important part, so the name of the file must be provider.tf. Let's go to the vi provider.tf.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.